I have two identical rectangles here, and I want to measure how much space each of them take up on the plane of my screen, the screen that you are looking at right now. And I want to do it using two different units. It's clear, since they're two identical rectangles, that they take up the exact same amount of space. They will have the same area. But what we can see is that we can measure that area using different units. So first over here, let's say that this figure is 1 foot in width. So let's say it is 1 foot in width. So that is 1 foot in width. And it is also 1 foot in height. 1 foot in height. So this right over here is equal to 1 square foot. It's clearly a square. It has the same width and the same height, and each of these dimensions are 1 foot, so we could call it 1 square foot. So let's see how many square feet we can get onto one of these rectangles, and essentially we'll be measuring its area in terms of square feet. And so we want to cover the entire space without overlapping and without going over the boundary. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 in that first row, and then I have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So that looks like this area, which is the same as this area down here, if I were to measure it in square feet, it is equal to, the area is equal to, let me write this down. The area is equal to, let me write it down. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 square feet. 12 square feet. Now, I'm going to try to measure that same area in a different unit, and I'm going to just make up this unit. I'm going to call it a fergle. And a fergle in one dimension, so a fergle in one dimension is twice a foot. So that distance right over here, I'm going to call a fergle. That's 1 fergle. This is something that I made up just for the purpose of this video. Most people will not recognize what a fergle is. So its height is 1 fergle. Its width is a fergle. And so we could say that this is 1 square fergle. 1 square fergle. So let's see how many square fergles this area, that same area that is 12 square feet. So let me copy and paste this. So let me copy and then paste. So let's see, we can get 1 square fergle on there. We can get another square fergle on there. And we can get a third square fergle on there. So we get 1, 2, 3 square fergles. The area of this figure in fergles, square fergles I should say, area is equal to 3 square fergles. 3 square fergles. So it's the same exact area. 3 square fergles is equal to 12 square feet, covering the exact same area. Now what I encourage you to think about is how many square feet make a square fergle.